ever gonna find my dream condo? All this scrolling has me really, really tired. Okay, this can't be real. Did I just wake up in my Pinterest board? I have to check this out. Oh, updated cabinets, modern countertops, stainless steel appliances. Oh, and a coffee nook. She's so cute. Oh, a dining space that actually fits people? Pinch me, this has to be a dream. Wow, a spa-like bathroom, heated floors? Did my Pinterest board really listen to me? This AI is wild. Whoa, look at all this natural light, these new patio doors, and this amazing new balcony. I could have sworn I've pinned this place before. A great sized bedroom, a walk-in closet. Man, if this is a dream, nobody wake me up. Hello? A 2-bedroom condo? Yeah, book the showing.